Yo, everyone, it's my third. Actually, no, because the second one, like, it was having trouble downloading it from the Meta app and then posting it. So, yeah, technically it's my third video, but I'll just call it my second one. And, yeah, it's, Jackson. If you watched my first video, you would know he had, like, wings. He just, changed his avatar.
I also have a YouTube channel. So
And don't.
subscribe to Cameron. And
Yeah.
Go subscribe to me.
Oh yeah,
Cameron.
It's a gold.
Subscribe to me and Cameron.
What's the name of the channel again?
My channel name is Golden Clover, and I make animal company content.
Okay.